Go.
G'day, this is Len from LPR Toolmakers. I'm just going to give you a quick rundown on this little machine. It's geared head, the DIY0820. It's on our website. Now, it's 520mm between centres. Got 110mm centre height. Takes 12mm tooling in a 4-way tool post. It's got a 3/4 inch bore all the way through the centre. Comes with a 5-inch 3-jaw chuck. Comes with a 5-inch 4-jaw chuck. Right, a load of back gears for cutting metric and imperial threads. It's got an automatic feed on the lead screw. Right, now I'm just gonna, and it's 2 Morse taper in the tailstock, so they're the vital information you need to know about the machinery. All right, now I'm going to quickly give you a rundown on this. The most important thing when you use any lathe is get yourself smack bang on your centre height. All right. So I've already basically set this up with some shim, and I'm going to give you a set of shim here so you can take them apart and get the right centre height on it. You've got to be spot on. So if you have a look here, currently it's a little bit out. Now I'm going to start it up. I'm going to face, and this is the best way to get your centre height. Face a bit of tool, a bit of mild steel or brass or aluminium or any type of bolt head or anything like that, and make sure your centre height of your tool is smack bang into the centre of that. Don't worry about the tailstock. This is the best way to do it. So I'll take a little cut. Right, so that's taking that right off. Could be a big thick plier. Right, so that's your double-ended tool holder. We actually supply one of those tool holders with it. And I'll quickly take that bit out, and we'll put up another bit of steel here, and we'll just do a little bit of parallel turning and then a little bit of parting off, because it comes with a parting tool. Carbide tipped insert parting tool. We supply all spare parts for all these holders, so this is going to be part of the package deal. All right, so we'll put that back in. I'll just make sure I do that up a little bit tighter. Put the guard back over it, and we'll give it a bit of a go. All right, got automatic feed on your lead screw. All right, so here, engage. Right, so now what we're going to do now, so there's a bit of parallel turning. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to swing this around. I've already set this up. This is a carbide insert parting tool. So we'll put that up. Now, the good thing about with these type of parting tools, you don't have to worry about changing the speed. You should be able to part off the same speed you turn. And because you're using carbide, you don't need to use coolant. You can, but if you do, you use it to start and leave it. So we'll just put that back on the same speed. So this is around about 16mm diameter, and I'm just going to part that right up there. Put the pressure on. Same thing with these tips. Going to be right on the centre height. As you can see, they're cutting it nice and easy. Be careful to get down near the end. Don't go too hard, just do it nice and slow till that falls off. Good, there she goes now, alright? Probably the centre height of that could probably be up a fraction, but it's very close, so that just gives you a quick rundown of how this machine works, alright? Now, it comes with the stand, alright? So you basically get everything. It's a good basic machine without having to get too complicated about changing belt feeds and stuff like that. You just have to change your speeds by just operating your gears. So that's low speed now, and quite obviously it's nice and low. And we come along, we have, I'm going to throw in a good quality drill chuck, a carbide insert boring bar, So that'll be the same insert that'll take with the double-ended tool holder we supply, right? And some spare inserts, center drills. I'm going to throw in some center drills as well, right? You get a pretty comprehensive how to operate manual, pretty straightforward. Once you set that up, set your stand up. Your stand comes in a separate package. Put your lathe on. The machine light doesn't come with it. That's just one of mine because it's a little bit dark in here. But basically, it's a nice little machine put in your workshop.